When you look at the night sky, you are seeing more than just distant lights. You are standing inside a gigantic, spinning neighborhood. This is the solar system, a family built from one brilliant star, 8 unique planets, hundreds of moons, and millions of space rocks. At the very center of it all is the sun. It is a massive ball of glowing, super hot gas. While it appears larger and brighter than other stars, that's simply because it is the only star close enough to feel. The sun exerts an invisible pulling power called gravity. It acts like a cosmic hug, locking the planets into steady circular orbits and preventing them from drifting away into the dark. This central anchor provides the warmth and stability required for the gallery of extreme environments we are about to visit. The 4 worlds closest to the sun are the inner planets. These are dense globes made of solid rock and metal. Closest to the heat is Mercury. It is a small, fast planet that zips around its orbit quicker than any other world. Because it lacks an atmosphere to trap heat, it swings between boiling days and freezing nights. Venus is the second planet, but it is actually the hottest. It is wrapped in thick yellow clouds that function like a giant greenhouse, pinning the sun's heat against the surface. Then there is Earth. From space, it looks like a glowing blue marble. It is the only place we know of with the precise conditions for life: breathable air and vast oceans of liquid water. Mars is the 4th planet, defined by its rusty red dust. Its landscape is one of extremes, featuring volcanoes larger than any on Earth and canyons that dwarf the Grand Canyon. We currently have robotic rovers like this one traversing the Martian surface. They spend their days analyzing the chemistry of the rocks and dust to determine what the planet's environment looked like millions of years ago. In the inner solar system, proximity to the sun creates these diverse, rocky landscapes, places where a human could actually stand and explore. To reach the outer worlds, we cross the Asteroid Belt. This ring of tumbling space rocks marks the end of the solid rocky planets. Beyond this point, the worlds are massive and lack any solid ground. They are made entirely of swirling gases and icy liquids. This is Jupiter, a world so large that every other planet in the system could fit inside it. It is covered in colorful cloud stripes and dominated by a massive feature called the Great Red Spot. That spot is actually a violent, swirling storm. It has been blowing for hundreds of years without stopping. Next is Saturn, famous for the magnificent, sparkling rings that encircle its middle. Close up, these rings reveal their true nature. They aren't solid hoops, but billions of individual pieces of ice and rock, ranging from the size of a tiny pebble to the size of a house. Uranus is the icy blue neighbor that behaves differently than the rest. It spins completely on its side, rolling around the sun like a giant barrel. Finally, we reach Neptune, a dark blue world at the edge of the system. It is home to the fastest winds in the solar system, which whip through the atmosphere faster than a jet airplane. As we move further from the sun, the solid surfaces of the inner worlds are replaced by massive scale and violent gas-filled atmospheres. Our neighborhood is also home to thousands of diverse moons and dwarf planets like Pluto that orbit in the cold outer reaches. Occasionally, comets pass through. These are essentially giant dirty snowballs that melt as they approach the sun, leaving beautiful glowing trails behind them. By studying the specific gases in Venus's clouds or the duration of Jupiter's storms, scientists can calculate how heat and energy have moved through our system since it first formed. Yet this entire spectacular system is just one tiny neighborhood in a universe filled with billions of other stars and planets. Looking up at the night sky means recognizing that we are part of a vibrant, beautiful gallery of worlds spinning out there in the dark.